Hello everyone, welcome back to TechTube. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to get 4K quality in CapCut. To get started, launch CapCut and import your project to the timeline. Now click on Edit option and search for Adjust setting. Once you have found it, click on it and do what I do. Put your saturation to 20. Brightness 4, highlight 5, shadow 5, sharpening 85. Then go to HSL. According to your clips, adjust color saturation. Now make sure to select the 4K resolution and desired quality settings in the export settings and export your video. That is how easily you can get 4K quality in CapCut videos.
If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in next video. Goodbye till then.